Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to be taking you through a fantastic routine to strengthen your upper body using the resistance band. We're going to sculpt, tone, define and lengthen every muscle. So all you need is your resistance band and your mat, so let's get started.
I don't want to close my eyes. It's a dreamer's town that never lets you down.
So let's take our resistance band. We're going to sit up nice and tall for these exercises. So stretch your legs out in front of you. Make sure they're nice and long. Take your band to the very center of the band, right around the arches of the feet and the balls of the feet. So it's nice and secure, nice and spread out. We're going to hold on to the band here, and we're going to have our thumbs on top. So when you're holding the very ends of the band, it's like you're holding a bouquet of flowers. Now, keep your shoulders down, keep your neck nice and long. Turn your palms down so your thumbs are touching. From here, you're going to do a bow and arrow. So what I want you to do is reach your right elbow back, press your left arm forward, keep rotating through the center, drawing the navel up and in, looking back over that right shoulder, and then come back to the center, breathe in. Same thing on the other side, reaching that left elbow back, pressing the right arm forward, stretching and reaching in two different directions, all the while spiraling taller through the spine. Lengthen back to the center. 9 more on each side. 9 and center. Good, lift up taller through the spine as you twist. Exhale as you twist. Breathe out. 8, inhale to the center. And 8. Good, this is 7. Keep those elbows lifted and reaching out towards a 45-degree angle to the side. Good, 6. And change. Just 5 more. 5. And change. 4 more. 4. And twist. 3 to go. 3. And switch. Just 2 more. Lifting up, pulling that navel in towards the spine, pulling that elbow right back. One last time, reach and reach. Now come back to the center, keep those arms nice and lifted. You want to imagine that your elbows are resting on 2 shelves. You're going to pull the hands in towards the shoulders and then reach all the way back out nice and long. 9, really stretch and reach out. Keep those elbows lifted and resting on those shelves. Reach. Pull the navel up and in, sit up nice and tall and proud. Keep those shoulders down and away from your ears. Let's do 5 more. Stretch out. And 4, take your time, really lengthen. Make sure you're using the resistance band to your advantage as you stretch those arms back out. 2 more. 2. And 1 last time. Now from here, we're going to lean forward. We're going to pull the elbows back behind us. I like to switch my grip for this one. I like to have the thumbs so they're on top. Your pinky finger is closest to the end of the band. Now pull those elbows back, lean forward, scoop your tummy in. You're going to press your arms all the way back, stretch and squeeze, and then come back in. Good, press. Leaning all the way forward, lengthening through those arms. And 4. Good, strengthening through the back, through the triceps. Good, really press. Let's do 5 more. 5, chest is nice and open. 4. And 3. Good, just 2 more, really press. And 1 last time. Now from here, just a little bend and press for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now sit up nice and tall once again. We're going to reach those arms all the way forward, keeping the same grip. Now what you want to do from here is you're going to open up the arms into 90-degree goalposts. You're going to flip those palms forward, rotate a cuff, flip the palms back down, reach back to the front. 9 more like this. Open up, flip back down, reach forward. And 8, open, flip back down, reach forward. 7, reach, and lengthen those arms. 6, keep the arms nice and lifted the whole way through, stretch all the way out. 5 more, flip, and reach. 4, open up those arms. Good, 3 to go, 3, flip. 2 more. Now imagine those elbows are resting on shelves once again. Good, as you rotate the arms up. Now hold this last one out. You're going to do that 10 times, just at the rotator cuff. 10. And 9, using that shoulder, using all those muscles that make up the rotator cuff to strengthen and stabilize the shoulder. 7 to go. 7. And 6. Just 5 more. 5. And 4. 3 to go. 3. And 2. 1 last time. Reach those arms forward, lower down for just a moment. This short and sweet routine is an excerpt from our latest Poison Strength upper body workout, now live on the online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have that workout and over 500 more full-length, real-time workouts waiting for you. We have reformative routines, challenges, programs, non-equipment and equipment workouts, and so much more. Check it out with our free 10-day trial. I can't wait to see you on the mat.
It's never felt so good.